It is 5:30, I think, in the morning, and it is another beautiful, wonderful day. Have a look at that. Have a look at that. I mean, what else do you need? Just a stunning morning, a few people around, and I got up early and decided this is it. Let's have a little bit of a walk and have a look at this view. Good morning, world. So here I am on just this little lookout here. This is Margate Beach just behind me, and I just really wanted to show you because I'm so envious. I haven't taken the paddleboard out, but there is a little paddleboard out there. Just seriously, get out in nature, connect, do something for yourself, do something for your soul, do something that actually just brings you just that, that little bit of joy, especially at the beginning of the day. It really makes a huge difference. And I mean, that person out there, I bet you, he's just absolutely feeling completely free right now. I just wanted to share this with you today because usually I like to sleep in, and I thought I wanted to share sunrise with the rest of the world. I love yous. Have a brilliant day.